Today, I'm flying to New York. I'm arriving at the airport. I'm checking in my luggage. I'm showing my passport. I'm getting my boarding pass. I place my phone, bag, and belt on the tray. I'm waiting at the gate. Boarding has started. I'm getting on the plane. Welcome aboard. Thank you, dear. I'm finding my seat. I'm putting my bag in the overhead bin. I'm sitting by the window. I'm buckling my seat belt. The plane is taxiing. The plane is taking off. I'm looking out the window. We're above the clouds now. I'm using the tray table. I'm turning on the reading light. I'm reading a magazine. The flight attendant is serving drinks. I'm enjoying the view. I'm having a snack. I'm reclining my seat. I'm taking a nap. I'm going to the lavatory. The plane is landing. I'm getting off the plane. Welcome to New York.